Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This hidden gem is located on almost an acre of flat land with lots of fruit trees in the front yard and a large backyard that can be used for any purposes that suits your lifestyle. The settings provide the familiar naturistic and fruitful feelings which can only be associated with living in the breadbasket parish. The house itself looks very classical, but with a vintage feel, yet modern in its architectural design. With 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and generous living space, you will enjoy a perfect setting for relaxation and entertaining. All this house needs at this time is a little TLC. It is located in Little Park, St. Elizabeth, which is off the main thoroughfare that leads to Black River and is just 10 to 12 minutes drive to Treasure Beach. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.